everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add any non-Steam game to Steam on your Steam Deck. And this is easy to do. So I was just switching back to the game mode here. And you have a section on here that says non-Steam game. So we can go up to the top here. If we go to the library, and we can scroll all the way to the right, it should be displayed under here if we add it. So it says installed, and then we have non-Steam. So we can add Chrome or whatever, it says that. But we want to switch to the desktop. And once we're in the desktop mode, it's very easy to add your non-Steam games. So if you're using like Heroic or something like that, or was it Ludicrous or something, you should be able to add it through there, and it's very easy. I don't know if I have those on here. What is it called? Ludicrous. And then here's Heroic Games Launcher. So under here, it's a little bit easier to add it. There should be like this section right here. Actually, we want to go to the three little dots on the page right here. And then go to Add to Steam. So you can do it that way. And another way that you can do is open up Steam here. And we have Add Game on the bottom left. And then we go to Add Non-Steam Game. So just like you would on your computer. And then you can find the non-Steam game in here. So you'll have to find the path or the location. So we can add like applications under here as well. So if we want to add the Heroic Game Launcher, and then we can open up stuff on our Steam Deck through that. So you literally just add the launcher, and then you can find your game. So what is this, Arc? I don't really have any other games I can add. So you can find it under here if it shows up. Maybe add the desktop item or icon. Oh, here's Minecraft. I can add Minecraft this way. And then you can just go down to Add Selected Program right there. Otherwise, you have to go to Browse, and you have to browse the specific path to the game that you're trying to get. And this is all Linux, so it's a little bit different than your Windows computer. So I don't know where all your games are being saved, but mine are under Games. Here's Heroic, and I'll have to find it. Here's Fall Guys, Rocket League, was this Callisto Protocol. So you just want to add the startup application so you can actually start it. Have to find out where that is. You just keep going through here. I think it would be just this one right here. I don't know. But yeah, just add that little icon to it, and you should be able to open it up. And then you go to Add Selected Programs, and it should be in your library now, just on the left here. Then you should be able to access this in the game mode. So let's switch on over right now. So I added Minecraft, I believe, to it. We'll see if that's in there. So most of the time, if you download the game to your Steam Deck, it'll just show up and you won't have to browse for the pathway. And you should be able to find it just under the non-Steam games now. So we'll load this up, go all the way to the right. And I got a mouse and keyboard attached, which is really convenient for typing in any kind of passwords. So we'll wait for this. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds. And it should be showing up under here. So come on, Steam. And this is going to be easy just to click it now. Boom. Go to non-Steam games. Add Chrome. Why not? Add Chrome. So you can see I have Chrome in here twice. I guess I just added this. I don't think this is the correct pathway for this app, but I can always try launching it. Nope, it is not. So I have to add something else. I really couldn't read it from where I'm sitting. But here's Minecraft. Let's see if Minecraft opens up. And this should work. I believe this is, it's not Bedrock Edition. So I have to figure out how to get Bedrock Edition. So it's updating, and it looks like this is going to work. I have the launcher opening up, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.